Now the simplest of questions came for 4 marks, sorry, 2 marks in June 2016 paper, okay? And the question says that the lowest energy term for D6 configuration is, and these are the four given options, right? Now, it would be very simple for you to solve this question if you have seen my video on term symbols, and if you haven't seen that, then you can see the link on the upper right corner. Just click it and watch the video, and then this question will be very easy for you to solve, right? So the question says that the lowest energy term for D6 configuration is. Now in order to find the lowest energy term, first of all you should find the configuration which follows the Hund's rule, right? So Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity states that the lowest energy term will be that term which has the highest multiplicity, or you can say the highest number of unpaired electrons, right? So if we draw the d orbitals, right, we draw the d orbitals 1 2 3 4. Now there are 6 electrons and we need the highest multiplicity, right? So one electron will come over here, the second will come in this orbital, third, fourth and fifth, right? And so the sixth electron will come now here. So we have 4 unpaired electrons, so maximum multiplicity is there, and we have one paired electron, right? And the orbital angular momentum for this orbital is +2, then we have +1, we have 0, -1 and -2, right? Now so 5 electrons in all these orbitals will cancel out the orbital angular momentum, and one extra electron is there in the in this orbital which has +2 orbital angular momentum. And like I told you, for 0 the term is S, right? For +1 it is P, and for 2 it is D, right? And for 3 it's F, and so on and so forth. So we got 2 as the orbital angular momentum, and the formula for term is 2 into S plus 1. I'm just repeating so that you can have a little revision. 2s plus 1 into L, where L is our orbital angular momentum. So orbital angular momentum is 2, so the term equivalent to 2 is D, right? So we have D as our term over here, so we can cancel out this third option which is 1p, right? And so the S, where S is the spin of the number of spin of total spin of the electrons. Now if you see over here, so these two are paired, so their spin will cancel out, and we have 4 unpaired electrons, right? So spin will be half into 4. Half is the spin of one electron, and there are 4 unpaired electrons, so half into 4, so that is equal to 2. So 2 into 2 plus 1, that is equal to 5. So our term equivalent to D6 configuration of lowest energy is 5D. So the correct option is option number 2, 5D. See, it was very simple to solve, right? And I just want to tell you guys that many of you are requesting videos for physical chemistry topics, okay? I'll be soon doing videos on physical chemistry topics, and also on I'll be doing videos on quantum chemistry like many of you have requested, and it will be particularly useful for net questions, right? I would not go into the deep meaning of quantum chemistry, because for right now you need to solve questions. You need to you have a lot of time to understand the concept, but right now you need to solve the question, right? So I'll be dealing mostly with that, right? And I'm making videos on the slide right now because I do not have the whiteboard with me, as I'm not I'm not at home. I've come for a conference, so I do not have the access to any whiteboard over here. So that is why I'm doing the videos on the slides, okay? So just bear with it for a few days, and in the coming week I'll try and upload some videos related to physical chemistry topics, okay?